Title: The Magic Book. Genre: Adventure, Fantasy, Family. Duration: 30 minutes. Target audience: kids and family. Characters: Ollie, a 10-year-old curious and kind-hearted boy. Sarah, Ollie's 8-year-old smart and adventurous sister. Grandfather Dada Jan, their wise and loving grandfather. Shazad, the mischievous guardian of the magic book. Sorcerer Zain, the villain who wants the book for evil. Scene 1. Ollie and Sarah discover the secret location: grandfather's old library. Evening. Ollie and Sarah are playing around the old bookshelf. A dusty book falls from the shelf, glowing mysteriously. Sarah, surprised. Ollie, why is this book glowing? Ollie, curious. I don't know, but it doesn't look like an ordinary book. Ollie picks up the book and opens it. Suddenly, a golden light fills the room, and a magical portal appears. Scene 2. Entering the magic world. Location: magical forest night. Ollie and Sarah step into a magical world full of glowing trees and flying creatures. Sarah, amazed. Wow, what is this place? Ollie, I think we've entered a magical world. A small mischievous character, Shazad, appears, floating in the air. Shazad, laughing. Welcome. Since you opened the magic book, you must now go on a quest. Scene 3. The quest begins. Location: enchanted cave, dark and mysterious. Shazad tells them about the evil sorcerer Zain, who wants to steal the book's magic. To stop him, they must find the crystal of wisdom hidden deep inside a cave. Ollie, we must find this crystal quickly. Sarah, but we should also be careful. They enter the dark cave, where glowing eyes appear in the shadows. Suddenly, a giant stone guardian wakes up. Stone guardian, who dares enter my cave? Scene 4. Facing the guardian. Location: deep inside the cave, tense atmosphere. The stone guardian challenges them with a riddle. Stone guardian, if you answer correctly, you may take the crystal. Riddle: what increases the more you share it? Ollie and Sarah think hard. Suddenly, Sarah smiles. Sarah excitedly. Love. The guardian smiles and steps aside, revealing the glowing crystal of wisdom. Scene 5. The final battle. Location: Zain's dark castle. Stormy night. As soon as they take the crystal, sorcerer Zain appears, laughing evilly. Zain, haha, that crystal will be mine. He uses dark magic to attack them, but Ollie and Sarah hold the crystal tightly. It starts glowing, and with the power of wisdom, they create a shield that reflects Zain's magic back at him. Zain shouting, "No, how is this possible?" Zain disappears into a cloud of smoke. Defeated. Scene 6. The happy ending. Location: grandfather's library. Morning. Ollie and Sarah wake up back in their grandfather's library. The book is now closed, and the magic has faded. Sarah, was it a dream? Grandfather, smiling. Maybe, but remember, wisdom and love are the greatest powers of all. Ollie and Sarah smile, knowing their adventure was real in their hearts. The camera zooms out as the children hug their grandfather, and the screen fades to black.